They're very black. They have a little bit of an iridescent color to the front of the wing. Let me turn it upside down. There, look at you. That's what we do all this work for. That pipevine swallowtail, we raise the host plant, which is pipevine, and then of course the nectar plants too. Now, typically they aren't caught in this. This is to keep them out of these tubs. Some over here too. Those look like they've just recently been laid. So see what I mean about them laying so many on one plant? Patches are defined by tubs, huge feed tubs. And these feed tubs were for molasses for cattle.